Everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Christina and today is my second update for the Partners in Cream project pan. So this project was started by Steph and DaLin. I'll have both of their channels linked down below in case you want to check out any of their other videos. Also, make sure to check out the entire playlist of this project pan if these are interesting to you, because there's a lot of us doing this and I am sure you will find a lot of new favorites by watching the playlist. And basically what this project pan is, in case you don't know, in case this is the first one that you're seeing, this project pan is all cream products, cream liquid type products, and it is a rolling project pan for the entire year. And you can pick anywhere from, I think we said 3 to 6 items, I think somewhere in there. I picked 5 for mine, and today we have a little bit of an update and a new product to roll in. So I'm very excited about this update. Before I jump into it though, definitely make sure to hit that subscribe button because I do upload on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard, and I don't want you guys to miss out on any of my videos if these are interesting to you. And now let's hop into this update. So first product I'm going to talk about is my ColourPop Super Shock. Unfortunately, I have to say that I didn't use this a single time. So there is no progress. I waited again just to make sure I didn't forget to tally. I have no tallies for this month, and it weighs the exact same amount. It weighs 19.63 grams, so it literally didn't move since last month, and that's entirely my fault. This is what happens with my Super Shocks. This is why it's in this project, because I just forget to use them. I don't reach for them. I really just need to use them as much as I can this year and probably declutter them because they're just not getting use. I love them. Like, I still love Super Shock formulas. I think that I've just phased out of them for now. I'm not into the cream shadow as much, so no progress on that. Next product is my cream blush, which I am wearing today. I love this blush. I'm still really enjoying it. I think cream blush is my new favorite thing this year, or even at the end of last year, I was like really into the cream blushes. And this is from Gorgeous Cosmetics, this guy right here. This is in the color Peaches and Cream, and it's just a beautiful color. Like I said, I'm wearing it on my cheeks today, along with like 3 other cheek products because I am a rebel. But this is what it's looking like right now. There's a little bit more of a dip in it. I did end up using this 10 more times this month, which I think is pretty good because I do have other cheek products and other project pans, and I don't wear makeup every day. So I feel really, really solid on using this 10 times. Last month it weighed 20.59 grams, and then this month it weighs 20.21 grams. So it did go down just a little bit, which I think is good. Out of 10 uses, it's not much progress with 10 uses, but I think that's a reasonable amount because I really don't need a lot. I'm very fair and the color is very intense on my skin tone. So I think that's a good amount, I think. I'll be glad once it gets down to like 18 grams because then I feel like we'll actually have like pan in this, but we'll see. It's hard to tell. I don't know how deep this pan is, but I feel very good about this. I still love this. I enjoy using it still, and I think it's just overall really pretty blush. Next product is one that I did end up using, but I swear because of the way it like moves in the pan, you can never tell where my progress is. This is my ColourPop Super Shock Cheek product. That's a highlight, so it's a super shock shadow. super shock highlight. So hard to say that. But this is my Super Shock highlight in the color Stole the Show, and I mean it moves, so it's hard to tell. I ended up using this 3 times. I am wearing it today under my foundation. That's the best way I'm going to end up using this, but again, I only used it 3 times this month. As for weight, it was 28.23 grams at the beginning of the month, and it now weighs 28.11 grams. So it did go down a little bit, again, about the same as the cheek product. I just don't use very much. You guys know I like pretty light coverage, pretty natural light coverage, so I don't really pile on a lot, and I don't use highlights exclusively anymore. I kind of just put them all over my face. So my highlight use is a little bit different. I don't know if I was using this just as a strict highlight like on my cheeks. I don't know if it would go any faster though, so I don't know if that really helps at all. Probably goes faster using it all over my face. Keep trucking along. I still enjoy this. I think it makes my face look overly glowy and like just healthy and pretty, and I like it. So I'm going to keep using it. So the next item that I have is my lipstick. This is my L'Oreal lipstick in the color Power Petal. I'm wearing a little bit of it on my lips today. It's just a regular bullet form lipstick. I didn't use it too much, and when I do use it, it's like today, I just put it on like the inner rim of my mouth and then I use my finger and blend it. So I really don't feel like I use much product when I do that. I ended up using it 4 times in the past month, and as far as weight, it started out at 23.91 grams and it's now at 23.90. So like I said, not much of a change. Didn't really use that much in those 3 times. I just used such a small amount of product. You guys know I don't really reapply my lip products, so unfortunately this is kind of a dud. I'm so bad at like actual lipsticks. Lip glosses and lip balms though, I can go through really quickly. Lipsticks, it's a whole other story for me. So hopefully, maybe I keep saying I should use it as a cheek product, but I mean, I have a cheek product, so it's like, how much do I really want to use it as a cheek product? Me and this guy are just gonna have to fight all year, it looks like. All year. The next product is one that I actually ended up finishing and we can finally roll out. So this is my first real success, and that's the JOA Truly Yours BB cream. I've been wearing this a lot. A lot of you guys have been complimenting my skin, and I really think it's this guy. This guy is amazing for a BB cream. It gives just enough coverage. It makes you look glowy and healthy, and it's beautiful. I'm honestly really gonna miss this guy. I will probably repurchase it once I get a few more of my foundations out of my collection. I just really like this guy. I wasn't sure about it when I first tried it because I have a really high bar when it comes to BB creams, but this one is truly yours. Is honestly really good. So I'm glad I got it out of here. I'm glad it's done. I ended up using it 13 more times before I ultimately finished it, and I just feel good about it. It started out the month at 21.82 grams and I finished it at 14.86. So I used a lot. Like, I was not joking. That's a lot of progress, but I mean, I literally used it every day. Even on days that I didn't want to wear makeup, I was like, oh, I'll just throw on a BB cream in my eyebrows just to get something on my skin and get it out of here. I also mixed this with a lot of foundations, and it's a really good mixer. So I use this as often as I could, and I think it shows. And so that is the last product in my lineup, but because I finished that one, we're rolling in a new product to replace my BB cream, and it's gonna be this guy. This is the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation. Mine is in the color LC1. This is one of my holy grail foundations. You guys know I wore this on my wedding day. I love this foundation. It looks really, really good on my skin. I know a lot of people don't like this one as much as I do. Something about this just works incredibly well with my texture, with the oiliness that I do get around my nose. It just works really well for me. It's honestly one of the prettiest foundations on my skin, in my opinion. I am wearing this guy today, and I think it's beautiful. I love this foundation. I did try to weigh this. It was over the weight limit for my scale, so I'm not sure. That was with the cap removed and with the cap on. So I'm not really sure what it weighs. It's over 100 grams, whatever it is. But as soon as we can, I'll try and get a measurement on it. Also, I've been letting it sit on my everyday makeup vanity for a while, and it hasn't settled any, but I don't think this is full. But I feel like it's at least been a year since I replaced this. But you guys know Physicians Formula is no longer cruelty-free, which honestly, I'm like still not over it because, like I said, this is holy grail status for me. This is like my wedding makeup, so it's like really sentimental to me as well. I'm having a really hard time accepting that, unfortunately, but because of that, I am going to try and get rid of this. I would like to use it up, get it out of here, and cry about it some more, keep the empty bottle as a token of my sadness. But that is why this guy's in. I love this foundation, so it won't be hard to use it. I won't dislike enjoying it. I will dislike finishing it, but there's that. And that, guys, is my update for the Partners in Cream project pan. Let me know if you guys are doing this project as well. I am trying to watch everyone's videos, but there's a lot of us and it's hard to keep up. But I am definitely enjoying this project pan, and I'm really glad that I was invited to do this. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. Also make sure to, if you want to see more from me, to hit that subscribe button, and hopefully that means I see all of you guys in my next video. Bye!